तस्य वाचकः प्रणवः, तस्य वाचकः प्रणवः. The divine name of Almighty God is Omkar. When we chant Omkar, automatically the divine environment around you becomes powerful, becomes spiritual, and it blesses all of us. Let's chant 3 times Omkar and Prarthana, Gayatri Mantra, Mahamrutyunjaya. Straighten your back, close your eyes, focus on the breathing. Dirgha Shwas. Mantra you, Gayatri Mantra together. Om Aswaha Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimani Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Trambakam Yajamane Sugandhim Pushtimarkanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanam Mrityormuksheemamrita. Om Sahanavatu Sahana Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Asatu Ma Satgaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirghamati Shanti Shanti. We are on the banks of Godavari River. Godavari Mata, I go down to Koti times. Behind me is Telugu Mata. I go down to Koti times. Charak, Shashwat, Dhanvantari, all these Rishimunis, Patanjali Rishimuni, they all give us so much information, and all the Veda, it was written by the indication of Ishwariya Shakti, Parameshwar, Param Shakti, Pratipal Vandaniya, Prataparni. So it goes into the times. All the sannyasis, all our central coordinator, all our state coordinator, all our district coordinator, all those who are working for the upliftment of human beings through yoga activities, I go down to all of them, and those who are present in front of me also. You are all divine souls. I bow down to you all. Let's start with the Bhastrika Pranayama. Dirgha Shwas, Dirgha Prashwas. Deep breathing. Through you, God is doing lot of work. He is selecting you to do more good things. But for that, complete surrenderance is important. When you completely surrender to the God, He then gives you blessings and to do more work through you. Adarniya Sridhar Reddy ji, Adarniya our Veerbhadra Rao ji, all these and our all Mataji sitting here, they are doing really a very good work in the field of yoga. We appreciate them from Patanjali Yoga Peeth Haridwar for the noble work they are doing all over Rajahmundry district, and Sometimes outside also they come to other districts also. So all Andhra Pradesh is getting a Yogamaya Andhra Pradesh. Our Adharniya Sridhar Reddy ji, we went to Anakapati to teach yoga, and there 25 days assistant yoga teacher training was there, and a lot of good information everybody received from our Sridhar Reddy ji. And all of you who want to become a yoga teacher and give this knowledge of yoga is the work of Rishi Muni, is the work of Ishwarya Karya. To do yoga and to teach yoga, both are Ishwarya Karya. Bhastrika Pranayam, deep breathing. In morning, the ozone, that is oxygen, pure oxygen is present in the environment. The trees have given oxygen to you all. There is a joke, very good joke in all over the world or all over India, that if you don't wake up in the morning, all the oxygen will be taken up by the Swami Ramdev Ji Maharaj, Shishya and Sadhak. Means you all will be taking all the oxygen. So please wake up early in the morning, otherwise you will not get the oxygen. So this joke came because of yoga people are increasing. And this oxygen, when the sun rises, this oxygen goes up in the atmosphere and it protects us from the ultraviolet rays of sun. So much powerful this oxygen is, ozone is. On molecular level also this oxygen is reaching. On single cell of the body, 1 lakh activities are going on. Very small tiny cells are there. One tip of needle, 600 cells can be accommodated. You continue, you don't listen, you have to continue, okay? It's both together. 600 cells can be accommodated in one tip of needle. एक सुई के नोक पर 600 cells आते हैं और हर सेल तक ये ऑक्सीजन पहुंचना चाहिए. जब आप प्राणायाम करते हैं, भरपूर प्रमाण में ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं, तो हर सेल तक ऑक्सीजन जाता है. ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑक्सीजन इज रीचिंग. नॉट ओनली दिस, when the normal activity is there, 1 lakh activities are going on inside the cell, very tiny cell, and 1 lakh activities. But when you do yoga, when you do pranayam, it increases to 10 lakh to crores and crores of activities. So much power in one single cell. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. Complete representation of their whole universe is inside our body. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. Sometimes people are not able to understand, or young people are not able to understand the meaning of God or how to explain that. So it is very easy to explain them. Okay, you already know how powerful God is, how divine He is. But to explain the children, you can tell them that if there is any design, if there is anything, say this mic is there, this stand is there, this sound is something is there, this construction is there, so you can easily recognize this construction is there. Somebody, maybe one person who has constructed this, some temple, this, somebody has designed. So this is the product. So behind the product there is designer. Okay, behind the product there is designer. Similarly, can you increase the little sound? So behind Bhastrika Pranayam, continue. And those who can do fast, they can do fast also. every design product, there is designer. Similarly, this all universe is also designed by somebody. The sun is designed by somebody. The plants are designed by somebody. Automatically the sun come up and gives us the energy, this oxygen. This body is also designed, so beautiful body design. The lungs are there, taking the oxygen inside. Who has designed that? So you can tell to your children, God has designed that. So behind every design, there is a designer. So he can understand, your children can understand, oh yes, this big Brahmanda. So this Brahmanda is the physical swarup of God. Physical swarup means Shashvat. और भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, after भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम start Kapalabhati प्राणायाम also. And both infinite. Nirgun Nirakar, Sadgun Sakar. Sadgun Sakar and Nirgun Nirakar also, both two words. Sadgun Sakar means everything what is visible, the Brahman, river, the all earth, this is all visible. And the visibility also is very infinite. Lakhs and lakhs kilometers, crores and crores kilometers, the sun, and like that sun, hundreds, thousands of sun also are there. So this is the Satguna Sakar, the root of God. And Nirgun Nirakar, invisible. He is invisible also. You cannot see, but you can feel the presence. कण कण में भगवान है और कण भी भगवान means every small particle is in it is God, and the particle itself is also God. So people are asking, where is God? Where is God? Everything is telling the address of God, but we are not able to recognize the address of God. Everybody is asking, where is God? So just to feel the presence everywhere. Just say thank you. And just remember with every breathing, every breath you take, Kapalabhati. There is transformation in your body. This is called as divine transformation. Balance in your body is there. This balance is at a physical level. This balance is at a liquid level, enzyme level inside your body. This balance is at hormonal level also. Sometimes when our children grow up, because of hormonal changes, their height increases. Because of hormonal good changes, they become more beautiful, they become handsome. These are hormonal changes which is happening inside our body. But if there is disbalance, there is imbalance, so there is some problem. Height doesn't increase, or sometimes on the skin there is hair for girls, hair on the face. This is imbalance. But when you do Kapalabhati Pranayam, complete balance of your body is there, divine balance of your body is there, Vata, Pitta and weight also, and everything, emotional level also, and hormonal balance also. How many strokes we have to take? Shata Sahasra Yoga Sadhana, 900 to 1000 strokes. And if you want to more become yogi very fast, very early, and if you have time, you increase it to 5,000 to 10,000 strokes per day. Tap, pranayam is tap, and with tap you will get secure. Of course, now very few Rishi Munis we don't see very good saints. There were saints like Satya Sai Baba Ji and Sai Baba Ji and lot very spiritual people. But all of us, we went away from the spirituality, and there is now again a need of new people to become saint. You can also become saint by practicing yoga for health. It was okay, you understood, it was for health also. But it is more than that, that is to become divine, to get connected with the God. With Moola Bandha also you can do. Now put the Moola Bandha and do Kapala Bhati. Moola Bandha means contracting the anus, pull it up. Mala Mudra Marga. You have to contract it and lift it little bit up. Try to keep your hands in a mudra. Different mudras are there. Dhyan mudra, Chinmay mudra, or some more names. The same mudra is there. This is Vayu. Don't keep it like this. Keep it like this. Some of you are keeping like this. Keep like this, sister. Keep it up. Prasad. When you take prasad from God, you do hand like this, not like this. Okay. Such a beautiful place. You are very lucky. You should say, oh, I am very lucky to be here in the morning. Yeah, daily morning. Our sisters are taking shelter. Lalita ji, Kumarika ji, Sai Lata ji, all taking you to a divine journey. This is the Yoga Yatra. Yoga Yatra. And Ganga is also flowing. It is like river. Very large. Godavari is flowing. Godavari is the divine river. Our rivers are also God. We have said God to everybody. Sometimes Muslim people say, oh, why you say God to everybody? Because everywhere God is there. This yoga is like ocean. It is like a river. It is flowing, and the knowledge is coming to us daily. Every day when you do yoga, every day you are getting something new. It doesn't become old. It is every day new. When I started my journey of yoga, I was not knowing what is this yoga and how yoga can change the things. I was not knowing. But as Guruji was speaking, Gurudevji was speaking about country. Oh, our country is in trouble, lot of corruption. Lot of young people should give time for the nation also. So I thought, yes, Guruji is telling perfectly. We were in our college days thinking about our country. Country should be like this, country should be like this, no corruption should be there, no corruption should be there. Speaking was there, but doing nothing. A lot of people speak about the country very good, but do nothing. But Swamiji was improving the health of people. He was doing yoga daily and telling, oh, please come out and to stop the corruption, do something. Vote for good people, maybe any party, but do vote for good people. And in 2014, more voting was there and there was change in the political party. Any party, doesn't matter which party, but it was there. So with the yoga, you can do anything. So much powerful yogis. So side benefits, the diseases will go on. But why these diseases are coming to us? They are coming to you sometimes to attract you towards the God. Okay? You should get connected with the God. That's why diseases are there sometimes. So do yoga, eradicate, remove your diseases and get connected with the God. Straighten your legs now. Sukshma Vyayam. Starting from your legs. Tighten the fingers and release. You have to tighten it so much. Only the fingers first. Only the fingers. These are step by step, easy to remember also. So you are starting from the first joint. Tighten it much. Then second is front back. This is for the proper blood circulation. Yesterday I told that sometimes you slip in the water or at night you don't see the steps, you fall, then cramp is there. So if you are doing this Sukshma Vyayam daily, no big injury will be there. No big injury, small injury can be there. And it will also heal up very fast. So after operation, any operation if you do in emergency, then next day only you can start Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Okay? It heals very fast, round and round. It heals your wounds very fast. Healing process starts very fast with pranayam. Other pranayam you may not be able to do according to your operation. If emergency, any such case is there, reverse, inside, outside. Rub the toes to the ground. Move the kneecap up and down. Lot of people have joint pain. These all kneecap and Sukshma Vyayam. If you are not able to sit on the ground, you can do sitting on the chair. After a few days, you will be able to sit on the ground also. Keep the left leg on like this. Take it up and down. These are all Sukshma Vyayam or Padmasana. If you want to put the Padmasana, you will be able to do Padmasana after few days if you give good exercise to your legs. This is Ardha Tikli. And you can rotate your leg with the hand also. Other leg also. Take a deep breath and pull it up. Breathing also continuously. The breathing is going to help more. These exercises are just movement of the bones. But at a molecular level, the oxygen is going to help. So here also space is there. If anybody wants, yes, here space is there. Beta, this boy you come here. Some people may join. Today, yes, your name?
Karthik Swami is going to show different asana also today.
Heritage.
So Yogasana Federation is working very nicely. You can the knee should go down, touch to the ground like that. Yes, very good. She is flexible. More the flexibility. There are acupressure points on your feet also, similar as on the hand. See, this is the kidney point. So here also kidney point on the leg also, same position. This is the eye point. Here also eye point is there, same position. This is the two fingers. These are the two fingers, and on this here is the eye point on your leg also. So try to do acupressure on your legs also. Yeah, you can here also. No problem. Anywhere, wherever space, just take up a space. When so these are the points. You remember the points slowly. This is thyroid point. Yesterday, this is the intestine point. At the side of the thyroid point, intestine point, that is constipation, like this pressing. And kidney point, then this is eye point, this is your lung point, then next to it is this is your ear point, okay, ear. Then this is on the back side, there is your back pain point. If you have back pain, here at the root. Then on the head, all head points are here. On the thumb, head points, headache or some eye problem or some migraine, anything related with head. This is the master point, okay? This is the master point, and all these points are sinus point, okay? You can press like this also or like this also. And Baddha Padmasana also little difficult, but try to do it. Just try yourself. This is the Padmasana, and little difficult, but you should be able to. Yes, see, this is the Baddha Padmasana from back side. You should be able to fold your fingers. These all yogi person, and you can lift your body also like this. Lift your body. If you cannot do that, this is easy. You can just rotate back. So much our weight should be. Now your weight is too much, so you are not able to lift. So reduce the weight every day. In Haridwar, we are reducing 1 kg weight per day. How much? 1 kg per day. Normal. And if you do little hard work, 2 kg weight per day within 7 days, 14 kg weight. So if you have very fat people here, please recommend them to come to Haridwar. Harmless weight reduction, no side effects, no too much dieting also, not too much diet. They give juice, they give fruits, too many fruits they give. Okay, one complete watermelon, one complete blue watermelon, whatever they need, it will not increase the weight. Next, we will do Bhagya Pranayam Tribandha. Take a deep breath inside your lungs. Breathe out completely. Pull the stomach inside as much as you can. Jnana Bandha and Jalandhar Bandha. It is also called Mahabandha. Together 3 times we are doing in yoga class. But if you have time, you should do more. Okay, everybody again. Second round. Deep breathe in. Breathe out completely. Pull the stomach inside. Pull the anus up. Third round. Also to become Urdhva, to become higher conscious, Ucha Chetana. This Bhagya Pranayam is very helpful. Last round. Next is Agni Sa. Move the stomach front back, front back. 100 times, 50 times, according to your capability. Breathe out. Without breathing, you have to move the stomach front back, front back. Pull it inside, release it. Pull it inside, release it. Pull it inside, release it. Okay, don't throw it outside. Pull it. Pulling inside is important. In Agni Sa, stomach should be soft, legs should be warm, and head should be cool. If this is the condition, you are in the perfect condition. Relax. Next pranayam is Ujjayi pranayam for your thyroid, or your vocal sound, or stomach balancing. There is stuff in the neck. If any disease comes, first your neck will pain. Before fever, your neck will pain. Indication that something is wrong. Immediately you can take a Hippatika Kara, Hippatika Kashaya immediately to take before the fever, your fever will be gone. So it is indication. So everybody, sound should come Ujjayi pranayam. Hold the breath for a few seconds. And breathe out from left nostril. 2 more times. Little more louder. Again. So as per your capacity, you should hold it long, but as the time permits, we are holding it for 10-20 seconds. Next pranayam is Anulom Vilom pranayam. Prarambha from left nostril breathe in, right nostril breathe out. Ida, Pingla, Susumna. The nadi name is there. When nostril is there, right nostril, left nostril. Breathe in from one side, breathe out from other side. From wherever you are breathing out, same position you have to breathe in. Right, left, left, right. Close your eyes if you already know. Anulom Vilom pranayam. Your nostril is like air condition. If your body temperature increases, your left nostril will start. If your body temperature is cold, your right nostril will start. In the morning, right nostril is working. In the night, left nostril is working. So it changes to balance the temperature of the body. Not only that, it is connected with the brain. Right nostril connected with left brain, left nostril connected with right brain. Your right brain, logical brain, your left brain, emotional brain. Both are important. Both should work perfectly. Ida, Pingla. Pingla is on the right. Right side is Pingla, left side is Ida. Name of the nerve. When the oxygen brushes the nerves, it becomes activated. And one more nerve is there, Susumna. it purifies the body. It starts from the anus and it is till the Prukruti Madhya. Prukruti Madhya means where we put the Vindya or Ajna Chakra. Anulom Vilom with the consciousness of Ida, Pingla, Susumna. And you can do Chakra Dhyan also. Like yesterday in Integrated Yoga, I told you that you have to do Pranayam with Dhyan. So where to put the Dhyan? Different Dhyan is there. So you can put on the different chakra, starting from Muladhara Chakra to Swadhisthana and then Manipur and then Anahat and then Bhukuti and Sahasrara. Vishuddhi also in the neck. So on that chakra, when you focus your mind and do pranayam, that chakra gets activated. Energy starts flowing from the chakra. And of course, some people ask me that should we do dhyan on every chakra? It depends upon your capability. On which chakra you can do more prana, more dhyan, meditation. So wherever you feel comfortable, you start with that chakra first. If you feel comfortable in Muladhara, start with that. Or if you are very Ojasvi, Tejasvi and Tapasvi, you can directly go for Sahasrara also. Then Omkar Dhyan is also there. Omkar Dhyan means chanting Omkar with sound. If you can start with the sound, it is Vachik Cha. Vachik means with pronouncing with sound. As you do more and more, you can do it with closed mouth also. Prana Dhyan or Jap, Omkar Jap, Omkar Dhyan without sound. Sorry, sound will come but the mouth will be closed. And one more is there, after long Vachik and without sound, when you do Omkar Dhyan, without sound, automatically sound stops. And that Omkar renunciation or pronunciation is inside your body. So that also is Dhyan. Omkar Dhyan without sound. Anulom Vilom, continue. We should do 15 minutes Anulom Vilom. 5 minutes rounds you can do with Kapalbhati alternately, or you can do put on some bhajan, and unless and until the bhajan completes, the spiritual song completes, don't remove your fingers from the nose. Continue Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So Param Puja Swamiji Maharaj has recommended and has asked you all to do dhyan for at least 10 minutes every day, starting from 10 minutes in the morning. Sthita Konasana and some more exercise we will do as both the legs in front, and our very nice name he is having, Karthik, and next is some more name, only Karthik. Okay, he something. Okay, he please you go ahead with some difficult exercises. You have to watch the exercises also and continue your exercise also. Okay. Yes. If you have any sound, you have sound. No. He is going to demonstrate some difficult asana. So those who know difficult asanas, they can also do difficult asanas. Sthita Konasana, very good for your belly fat. Within 7 days, you can reduce your belly fat. But for that, you have to do 1000 times. This 1000 times. Even if you do 100 times, 1 month it will take. Don't worry. If you are not ready for 7 days, 1 month you are ready. So 100 times you do this. Okay, very good. Come front, little front.
Just free roll.
Acha, he's exercise. Warm up.
Yeah.
Warm up. Okay, he is doing only warm up. You also, with the breathing you have to do. With the Bhastrika Pranayama you have to do. तो एक दिन हमें मोटापा मुक्ति शिविर भी लेना पड़ेगा. Everybody wants to reduce weight, correct? How many of you want to reduce weight? Just raise your hand. 50%, more than 50% want to reduce the weight. So one camp only for Motapa Mukti Shibir, that is obesity camp, we want to organize. If you are ready, I will come in August. Okay, if you are ready, 5 days Motapa Mukti Shibir camp, 1 day 2 kg weight we will reduce. 10 kg in 5 days if possible. Not 10 kg but 5 kg definitely we will achieve. In Motapa Mukti Shibir, our yoga teachers, they are teaching very nicely. But yeah, when you go home, you eat anything. So that is the problem. So we are recommending now that we should give food to you also here only. Breakfast here only, evening one more session. Yes, very good. See the flexibility in childhood only. If you are able to, I think, yes. For every one of us, maybe we are 40 or to doing this. These all difficult asanas. Your child also can become flexible like this, but you should give the opportunity to them to connect with you. Yogasan Federation, our Adaraniya president is Raghavendra Veerbhadra ji, district president. So he is taking lot of competition. Next month he is going to take judges training also. 7th, 8th, 9th of June, judges training. Only 50 kilometers or 20 kilometers?
20.
Only 20 kilometers from here. Oh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. He is a national champion, I think. So, even though we are not able to do like this, but when you sankalpa, when you make sankalpa, next birth directly we will be yogi child. Continue your Chakki asana also. With the breathing. Don't hold the hands from here. Okay, you don't hold the elbows. Only straight. How many times? 100 times.
No.
Why you are laughing? I don't know. Within 2 minutes you can do 100 times. Reverse. Paschimottanasana. 3-4 times up and down. Breathe out and bend down. If you have back pain, don't bend much. If you have flexibility, go back completely. And if you want to enjoy Chalita Paschimottanasana, you can enjoy Chalita Paschimottanasana like this. Relax. Very good. All are flexible. All are trying to do. I thought you will not try. Next is Vakrasana. And in Vakrasana, Kapalabhati Pranayam, those who are very flexible, they can do Ardha Matsyendrasana also. This is Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is difficult. Or you cannot do, you can do simple Vakrasana. So Kapalabhati in Vakrasana. Other side also. Continue Kapalabhati also. Mukhasan. Stretch your hand up more so that it touches your finger. Even if it is not touching, within 1 month it is going to touch. But you have to try every day. Definitely your flexibility of shoulders will be there, and frozen shoulders and all shoulder problems, they all can go away. Relax. So you can see what a beautiful scenery here out. Like that, this place is very good for meditation also. So you can come here, sit, look at the river for few seconds, few minutes, 5-4 minutes, close your eyes slowly, take all the, with other hand also you complete Gomukhasana. And like this, your all mind will be stable, your mind will be calm. Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Say with me, Atha Yoganushasana. Yogas Chitta Vritti
Nirodhakaha Yoganushasana
Nirodha.
Yogaha
Tada Drashtuhu Swarupe Avaruthalam. You are entering into the Anushasana of you. You are getting yourself Anushasit, that is Atma Anushasanam, self-discipline. Relax. Please lie down on your stomach for Bhujangasana or Makarasana. First is Makarasana. Very simple, very beneficial for back pain. Every day mandatory. Some asana are mandatory. Every day you have to do. With both the legs. And as yesterday I introduced you that for Bhujangasana, if you do 100 times, 100 is basic. Swamiji Maharaj is saying there is no option to 100 here. You have option only upside, that is 200 or 300 or 400. There is only option. But for 100, no option. So today 25 times again we will do. And as day by day, your flexibility increasing, both the hands, both you can do. This is the simple one, and you can keep the hand like this also if you want. This also you can do. Option is with you. But 25 times everybody. Okay, we will start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Very good. Relax. Abhinandan to all of you. Relax little. The right leg up without folding from the knee as much as you can. This also reduces the belly fat on the stomach. Other leg also, Shalabhasan. Keep the leg straight. Hold it for a few seconds according to your capacity. Other leg one more time. Alternate. And if you can do it with both the legs, try with both the legs.
Two legs.
And if you don't have BP, if you don't have heart problem, do Dhanurasana also. Rise up, hold it for 2 seconds. Very good. Relax. Relax to Makarasana and Shavasana. Rotate yourself on the back side. Lie down on your back side, starting with the Markatasana. You have to start with Markatasana. Markatasana, very good for your back pain. 2 times slowly and then 4 times little fast. Markatasana. Your legs goes opposite to your face. Both hands, if not possible, just keep your hands folded only. No problem, like this, folded. Below your head, you can keep your hands. Below your head. Apart from each other, and then rotate it on the other side, face facing to other side. One more time, other side. Markatasana type 2. Your legs are away from each other, the knees are away from each other. Fast also you can do. Markatasana type 3. If space is available, try that. Don't disturb your neighbor. Right leg goes up 90 degree and left side little. Today's space is less. Don't worry. 90 degree up and down. Other leg also gets 90 degree up. And other side, try to touch your hand. Keep the knee straight. Return 90 degree up and down. Ardha Halasana is very good for belly fat. Ardha Halasana. One leg up and 90 degree, other leg up and 90 degree. Alternately, take the legs up 90 degree. 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. And if you don't have back pain, do it with both the legs. And those who can do Sarvangasana, they can also try Sarvangasana. And those who cannot do Sarvangasana, do at least Halasana, Ardha Halasana. And returning, you can do Halasana little bit. Relax. Kandharasana, Setu Bandhasana. Both the legs in half standing position. Both hands on the knee, on your legs. Raise your hip and stomach up. Raise your hip and stomach up. Kandharasana, Setu Bandhasana. Breathe out and pull the stomach inside. Relax, Vishram. Uttan Padasana. Both the legs together, 1 feet from the ground, 30 angle. Do Kapalbhati 30 times. Relax. Dirgha Shwas, Dirgha Prashwas. Naukasana. Legs also up, hands also up. Yesterday, a very beautiful competition was there. For 2 minutes, all of us were in competition, and our Adarniya, who win?
Shiva
Kumar arranged it, but you win.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Subramanian.
Subramaniam, he won the competition. Do more than 2 minutes. He was it for 3 minutes. So do Kapalbhati also in this. If you feel uncomfortable, hold the legs from bottom like this. You hold the legs from bottom and hold it for more time. And for children, Tolangulasana is go straight like this. If possible, try this also. And one more flexibility is there. Pada Angushta Nasa Sparshasana. Slowly take your both legs near your nose. The knees are outside, the elbow hands are inside. Touch the leg fingers to your nose. Not possible? Don't worry. Slowly you will be able to make it possible, but try every day little. Vishram, relax. Take your right leg up, round and round, complete big round. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Reverse. This also reduces the weight very perfectly. Harm structural balance. Means complete body gets balanced. With other leg also, clockwise 5 times. Big round. Big shunya. And reverse also 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. With both the legs also sometimes possible to use. So try with both the legs. Ardha Vruttasana with both the legs. Big round. 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5 times. 1, 2. Big round. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Those who cannot do chakrasan, they can start cycling, but others try chakrasan. Both the legs folded in folded position. Keep the hands near your shoulders. Lift your body up. Fix your head first, and then lift the head also up, up, and up. Relax. Vishram. Cycling is easy for you than chakrasan, so you can do cycling. Please start cycling. Dvichakrikasan. Little fast today because we have to travel very long distance. Today we will go to Haridwar. Rivers also. Don't be tired. Start the second round. If you are tired, start again. Don't sit idle. Please start again. Take little rest. Dirgha Shwas, Dirgha Prashwas. And with both the legs also you can do 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Shavasana. Very nice asan. Shavasana. Try to relax your body. Wherever you feel uncomfortable, take your mind to that place and relax. Your legs are relaxing, your back portion is relaxing, your head, your hands, complete body is relaxing. Dirgha Shwas, Dirgha Prashwas. Soham, Soham. Try to come out of your body with imagination. Come out of your body and visualize your body lying down on the bank of Godavari. 2 legs are lying down, 2 hands, the body, the head. In Shavasana, your body is lying down here. Dirgha Shwas, Dirgha Prashwas. Move your hand fingers, move your leg fingers, only fingers. Raise your both hand and rub the palms to each other, rub the hands. As it becomes warm, touch to your eyes, touch to your face. Rotate your body on left side. Keep your right hand in front of your heart. Press the right hand and sit in the sitting position. So, very good. Our Adarniya Sai Nageshwar ji is coming. Please give a big round of applause to him. He is Vishwa Pitamaha. And with him his name. Shekhar. State Shadgar number. Okay. So we welcome him also. And yesterday also. How many of you are new today for my session? New today? Oh, a lot of them are there. So yesterday I told about medicated air, medicated water, medicated food, medicated fasting, medicated basti. These all terminology you should know. Medicated air means whatever air we are breathing is normal air. When we put some ghee lamp, automatically the air becomes medicated. In Havan Homam, when you put medicine in it, the medicinal value improves and the environment gets that medicinal effect. And when you breathe in that air, you are very cured very early. Okay, if you have any dumb lung related problems, so you can put Shwasari Vati or Bromcomb, all lung related problems. What is the name of the medicine? Shwasari Vati. Say with me. Shwasari Vati, very good for your throat, your cough, your lungs, very good. In Corona pandemic, you got the coronal kit. In the coronal kit, Shwasari Vati was there. So when you put in the Havan, automatically the medicinal values, it comes into the air and it is entering through your nose, through the lungs. So this is medicated air. Medicated water means the kashai. Whatever kasha you were drinking, it was very little quantity, very difficult to drink. But what Swamiji Maharaj did, he put more 1 liter water and whole day you have to drink the same water when you are thirsty. So this is medicated water. According to the disease, according to your benefit, you have to take the medicated water. In that, Sarva Kalpa Kwat water, Kaya Kalpa Kwat water is very good for your detoxification of the body. And Sorakai juice is also very good for your body. Do take Sorakai juice. These are all simple things. But we forget everything and we only eat idli dosa, only idli dosa. So I will request to take this knowledge of integrated yoga. One book is there in English and Hindi available. Name is Patanjali Wellness Line of Treatment. In that, all the 10 directions of attacking a disease is written. 10 direction means which water, which medicine, which asan, which pranayam, which food to be eaten, which medicated air to be inhaled, all this, which acupressure point. At a time when you attack the disease, 100% within 7 days or 15 days, the disease can be cured. This already we have evidences. Not only that, medicated water, medicated food means proper food. Food is medicine. Just change the food according to your requirement. This will tremendous help you in the yoga and Ayurveda and to live a very good life if you change only the food. So food is medicine, but for that you have to learn little bit what food to be eaten. You have to read sometime. Okay, so all this information is written in the book. Then medicated upavas, fasting is very important. As I told you, Swamiji is telling every day, when you are doing upavas, fasting, your hunger eats the disease. Very big thing. This Nobel Puraskar has been received. So, no need to take medicine, no need to take anything. Just do upavas. Your diseases will be cured. For arthritis, you have to do more upavas. 7 days, 5 days, 3 days upavas. But in that, what to eat, we will tell you to keep the full energy. So, these all things is now following everybody and very good results have been there, and Patanjali is promoting this natural way of life. So you also first take our natural medicine, first take our Ayurvedic medicine, first take our yoga treatment, then you go for allopathy, then you go for hospital. Don't directly go to hospital. First do your own first aid and repairing of your through our natural and Ayurvedic medicines. And medicated basti, this is also very good. Medicated basti means enema. In the enema pot there is liquid. In that liquid 10 times more dose Ayurvedic medicines you can put and take the liquid inside your stomach. Your intestine absorbs the medicine very fast and you can cure very fast with this medicated enema. So some people take daily this enema. No need to take daily. Once a week is enough, or 15 days is also enough. But a Shankha Prakshalan is also very important. That is cleaning of the body, stomach. Shankha Prakshalan, you know? Anybody knows Shankha Prakshalan? Yes, half of the people knows. In that you have to drink water, do exercise. Drink water, do exercise. Automatically the pressure builds, go to the toilet, again come back, again drink water, do exercise, again go to the toilet. Again this repeat, cycle repeat. So much it is effective. Whatever color of water you are drinking, same color of water toilet you are doing, toilet comes out. And toilet when it comes out, it comes very forcefully. Like when you open the tap, the water flows like that. Similarly in latrine, from the anus, all complete it is coming out and the stomach becomes clean. So once a year or twice a year you can do Shankha Prakshalan, and this is Swamiji is saying Safai hi dawai hai, means cleanliness is dawai, cleanliness is medicine. Okay, so please continue your Kapal Bhati. I will ask our Adarniya Sai Garuji to speak about our Rajamandri, Rajamahindravaram district to be, how we can make it Yogamay, how our number of yoga classes can be increased. You also have to become yoga teachers with us, because it's a mission to make a complete our Rajamandri to be non-diabetic. No single patient should be there for BP. Like that, our all diseases we can cure one by one. But for that, we have to work on mission mode. To Kapal Bhati, he will tell something. Your Kapal Bhati should continue. Only if you listen, no meaning.
అందరూ కూడా రాజమనాయంలో గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో కలవడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
Battery is down. Battery is down.
గత 10-15 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి మన భారతదేశంలో యోగా అనేది చాలా ప్రాచుర్యం ఉంది. మనము విశ్వ గురువుగా ఎదిగే స్థితికి ఈరోజు మనం యోగా విషయంలో వచ్చినాము. అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు తేజస్వి రామ్దేవ్ బాబా గారు అటవీ యోగ సమితి హరిద్వార్ గత పరివారంతో కలిసి ఉన్నాం. మనం ముందు ఉన్న ఒక లక్ష్యాన్ని మనం తెలియజేసుకున్నాను. 2018 నుంచి రాజమండ్రిలో ఈ మూర్తి గారిని భాగస్వామి ప్రెసిడెంట్గా ఉంది. దవదేశ్వరం, దానబాయిపేట, ప్రకాష్ నగర్, ముఖ్యంగా శ్యామలా నగర్, ఇక్కడ మంచి యోగమయం బాగా చేశారు. దాంట్లో పిఠాపురం, అలాగే ప్రకాష్ నగర్, తర్వాత కాకినాడ ఎక్కువగా రాఘవేంద్రరావు గారు పట్టణంలో వారు చాలా అభివృద్ధి చేశారు. తర్వాత కరోనా వల్ల మన తూర్పుగోదావరి జిల్లా వెనకబడింది, తిరుపతి తగ్గింది యోగమయంగా. కానీ ఈరోజు మనకి అనుకోని అదృష్టంగా, అనుకోని అదృష్టం అంటే నిజంగా అదృష్టం అది. అదేంటంటే మన యొక్క పిల్లాడు మన కార్తీక్ నేషనల్ ఛాంపియన్ అతను కూడా నాకు బాగా పరిస్థితులు ఎన్నికనుకున్నారు. నేను ఈ పరివారంతో 15 సంవత్సరాలుగా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇందులో ఈ వాళ్ళు చేసిన యోగాసనాలని, అలాగే మీరు పెద్దవాళ్ళు కూడా చేసిన ఈ బ్రీతింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కూడా మన బీచ్ వాలీబాల్ అనేది నేషనల్ గేమ్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ బీచ్ వాలీబాల్ ని మన మోడీ గారు నేషనల్ గేమ్స్ లో తీసేసి యోగాసన స్పోర్ట్స్ అని పెట్టి దీన్ని నేషనల్ గేమ్ లోకి యాడ్ చేశారు. చాలా అభివృద్ధి. మన యోగా ద్వారా ఆరోగ్యంతో పాటుగా మనం దీన్ని ఒక నేషనల్ గేమ్ లో యాడ్ అవడంతో పాటుగా ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనం ఎఫిలియేషన్ దేంట్లో తీసుకుంటామంటే మనం ఒలింపిక్ వరల్డ్ అసోసియేషన్ దాంట్లో కూడా ఎఫిలియేషన్ చేయాలి. మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ యూత్ అఫైర్స్ వారు ఈ రాష్ట్రానికి నేషనల్ రెఫరీగా ఉన్నారు సీతారెడ్డి గారు. వారు అబ్బాయి కూడా మంచి ఛాంపియన్. ఇలా నేను విశాఖపట్నం జిల్లాకి చైర్మన్ గా ఉన్నాను యోగాసన స్పోర్ట్స్ ఫెడరేషన్. దీన్ని నేషనల్ విశ్వగురువుగా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గా స్వామి రామ్దేవ్ గారు ఉన్నారు. వరల్డ్ యోగా రామ్దేవ్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఇది ఏజ్ లిమిట్ లేకుండా, ఖర్చు లేకుండా ఆరోగ్యం పెంపొందించుకునేలాగా ఈ కాంపిటీషన్స్ కి
జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు ఎప్పుడే 2 నేషనల్ కాంపిటీషన్ జరిగి 3 దానికి సంసిద్ధం అవుతుంది. అలాంటి సంస్థలో అంటే ఎప్పటి నుంచో ఉన్న శ్రీధర్రెడ్డి గారు ఈ రోజున మన పతంజలి యోగ సమితి భారస్వామ్యాన్ని ప్రెసిడెంట్ గా రాజమండ్రి అభివృద్ధి చేయాలనే లక్ష్యంతో సంకలం కట్టుకుని ఆ బాధ్యతలు తీసుకున్నారు. వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు. మీరందరూ కూడా ఈ రోజున యోగా ట్రైనింగ్ క్లాసులు జరుగుతాయి, యోగా ఫిట్నెస్ క్లాసులు జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుని లక్ష్యం మీద ఆరోగ్యం వైపు మీరు పెంపొందించుకుంటూ మీరు మరొకరికి ఆరోగ్యదానం చేసి అవకాశం కలిగినట్టుగా మీరే యోగా టీచర్లుగా తయారవడానికి మంచి అవకాశం ఉంది. శ్రీధర్రెడ్డి గారు చాలా మంచి నిబద్ధత కలిగిన వ్యక్తి. వారి పతంజలి యోగ సమితి బాధ్యతలు తీసుకుని ఇప్పుడు మన ముందు లక్ష్యం ఏంటంటే కరోనా ముందు వెనకబడిన రాజమహేంద్రవరాన్ని మన జిల్లాని పూర్తిగా గౌరవమయం చేసేటట్టుగా మీరందరూ శ్రీధర్రెడ్డి గారు సహకరించాలని కోరుతున్నాను. యాక్చువల్గా నేను రాత్రంతా జర్నీ చేసి విజయవాడని చెప్పాను. కానీ వారు మొట్టమొదటిసారి మాకు పతంజలి యోగ సమితి బిఎస్టీ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గా అవి వారు నేను అభినందించి మిమ్మల్ని ఒకసారి కావాలని ఉత్సాహంగా రావడం జరిగింది. శ్రీదేవి గారితో ప్రయాణం చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. తర్వాత ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే శ్రీ శివాజీ మహారాజ్ స్వామీజీ చాలా కంకర కట్టుకున్న ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో మొదటి స్థానంలో ఉంచాలనే లక్ష్యంతో పనిచేస్తున్నారు. ఆ రిలేషన్ అరౌండ్ ట్రావెల్ 24 hours ట్రావెల్ చేస్తూ వస్తారు. వారి యొక్క ఆశయాన్ని కూడా మనందరూ ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నాం. అలా ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీరందరూ కూడా ఇందులో సహకరించి ఒక కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారు, ఇందులో మన డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ ఉంటే వారందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చేయండి. ఒక రోజు అంటే నా గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఒకసారి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ మేము ఉన్న 2010-12-15 మధ్య నుంచి మంచి బ్రహ్మాండమైన గుర్తింపు ప్రత్యేకమైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అంటే స్వామీజీకి మహారాజు స్వామీజీ మహారాజు రామదేవ గారు కూడా ప్రత్యేకమైన గుర్తింపు ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు రాజమండ్రి గారు కూడా అలా ప్రత్యేక గుర్తింపు తీసుకొచ్చి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లో నిర్మాణంగా తయారు చేయాలి. నామ సహకారాలు స్వీకరించాలని చెప్తూ
యోగాసన కార్యక్రమం వచ్చే నెల 7, 8, 9 తారీఖుల్లో శుక్రవారం, సెకండ్ సాటర్డే, సండే కానవరంలో స్టేట్ లెవెల్ జడ్జెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ఎవరైతే పిల్లల్ని మనం కాంపిటీషన్స్ ద్వారా మనం విన్ అయిన వాళ్ళని ఇక్కడి నుంచి జిల్లా నుంచి స్టేట్ నుంచి నేషనల్ కి పంపిస్తామో వాళ్ళ రేపొద్దున వాళ్ళ కెరియర్ కి ఉపయోగపడే అంటే మనం ఏదైతే కబడ్డీలో కానీ హాకీలో కానీ మెడల్స్ తెచ్చుకుంటే జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కానీ లేకపోతే మన ఇంజనీరింగ్ సీట్ కానీ లేకపోతే మెడికల్ సీట్ కానీ ఎలా సంపాదిస్తామో యోగా ద్వారా కూడా మనం అలాంటి అవకాశాన్ని పొందవచ్చు. అలాంటి పిల్లల్ని మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసేటువంటి అదృష్టం ఏంటంటే జడ్జెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. అలాంటి జడ్జెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని కానవరంలో కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. కానవరం అంటే రాజానగరానికి ద్వారపుడు వెళ్ళే రోడ్లో జస్ట్ మనకు ఒక 3 కిలోమీటర్ల దూరంలో బ్రహ్మాండమైన యోగాశ్రమం ఉంది. ఆ యోగాశ్రమంలో 3 రోజులు అక్కడే ఉంది. అక్కడ వసతి ఏర్పాటు బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉన్నాయి. 3 రోజులు అక్కడే ఉంది. మీరు ఆ జడ్జెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో పాల్గొని చేసినట్లయితే రేపొద్దున భావితరాల్లో వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మోడీ గారు, రామ్దేవ్ బాబా గారు కలిసి మహాయజ్ఞాన్ని ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారంటే ఈ యోగాసనాన్ని క్రీడను ఒలింపిక్ స్టేజ్ మీద తీసుకెళ్లాలని ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ఒక కార్యాన్ని భుజాల మీద వేసుకుని వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. అందులో భాగంగానే ఏ క్రీడ అయినా సరే ఒలింపిక్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే వాళ్ళ జాతీయ క్రీడల్లో ఒక గేమ్ అయి ఉండాలి. అందుకోసం గత 2 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి మన జాతీయ క్రీడల్లోనూ ఖేలో ఇండియా క్రీడల్లోనూ కూడా యోగాసనం అనేది అద్భుతంగా రన్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏషియన్ గేమ్స్ లోకి, కామన్వెల్త్ గేమ్స్ లోకి కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళబోతున్నారు. దీనిలో ఎవరైతే అద్భుతమైనటువంటి జడ్జిలుగా రాణిస్తారో వాళ్ళు రేపొద్దున స్టేట్ లెవెల్ నుంచి నేషనల్ జడ్జి గాను, నేషనల్ నుంచి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ జడ్జి గాను కూడా అవడానికి ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది. ఆ విధంగా రీసెంట్ గా నేను స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ జడ్జి ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుని రావడం కూడా జరిగిందండి మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. ఆ అవకాశం మీకు కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. మీరు అందరూ ముందు జిల్లా లెవెల్లో కాంపిటీషన్ లో అడుగు పెట్టాలి అంటే స్టేట్ లెవెల్ జడ్జిగా ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ అవకాశం మన రాజమండ్రికి దగ్గరలోనే ఉంది. మన జిల్లాలోనే స్టేట్ వైడ్ అందరూ వస్తారు. మీరు కూడా పార్టిసిపేట్, ఎవరైతే డిప్లొమా కానీ లేకపోతే మెడలిస్టులుగా కానీ లేకపోతే యోగా టీచర్లుగా కానీ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఈ అవకాశం దక్కుతుంది. వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ మీ మేడం లలిత గారిని కానీ శివగారిని కానీ లేకపోతే వీరభద్రరావు గారిని కానీ ఎవరినడిగినా చెప్తారు. లేదా చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నారు. కాంటాక్ట్ చేసినట్లయితే కనుక మీరు కంపల్సరీ అందులో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ వచ్చి 7396003444. ఇది చక్కటి అవకాశం. అలాగే స్వామీజీ రెడ్డి మహారాజ్ స్వామీజీ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్తున్నారు, అసిస్టెంట్ టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్, యోగా టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్ కూడా అది అద్భుతమైనటువంటి అవకాశం. పతంజలి గురు కింద వచ్చినటువంటి మీరు ఆ పతంజలి పరివారంలో మీరు ప్రయాణించడానికి ఈ అసిస్టెంట్ టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. దాని డేట్స్ కూడా త్వరలోనే మేము ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మా యొక్క సహచరులైనటువంటి లలిత గారు, వీరభద్ర వీళ్ళందరితో చర్చించి అనుకూలమైన ప్లేస్ ఒకటి చూసి కంపల్సరీ దాని డేట్స్ అనేది అనౌన్స్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మీ అందరూ కూడా కెరియర్ పరంగా కూడా ఉపయోగపడేటువంటి అద్భుతమైనటువంటి అసిస్టెంట్ టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్, యోగా టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోర్స్ లో కూడా జాయిన్ అవుతారని. జస్ట్ మీకు ఎంతో కాదండి, అది 1100. ఆ 1100 కూడా మీకు నామినల్ ఇదే ఫీజును ఇదే కోర్స్ కోసం 10,000 15,000 కూడా తీసుకుంటున్నారు. కేవలం అది ఒక డొనేషన్ గా హరిద్వార్ పీఠ్ కేవలం ఒక డొనేషన్ గా మాత్రమే దాన్ని స్వీకరిస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఇచ్చే ఈ డబ్బు ఎంతో మంది పేద ప్రజలకు ఆరోగ్యం కోసం ఇంకో దానికోసం ఈ రకంగానే దాన్ని స్పెండ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది తప్ప వేరే విధమైనటువంటి లాభాపేక్ష మనకి హరిద్వార్ పీఠ్ ఏ విధమైనటువంటి అవకాశం లేదు. కేవలం సేవా దృక్పథంతో జరుగుతుంది.
Thank you very much. Now we will do the Samapan with Brahmari Udgit Pranodhyan, and then some standing exercises also are remaining. So 3 times Brahmari, the bottom fingers on your eyes, just flip it, and 1 finger on your head. Close the ear with the sound of Brahmari 3 times. Shwas.
Silence. Keep your hands on and a beautiful Jnana Mudra. Udgit Pranayam, 3 times chanting of Mukta, Pushpa. Silence. Pranav Nam. Meditation for 1 minute.
Vairagya, detachment. Give us inspiration to walk on the path of truth. Give us inspiration to do yoga daily. Give us inspiration to teach yoga to other souls. Keep your eyes closed, raise your both hands and rub the palms to each other. As it becomes warm, touch to your eyes, touch to your face, touch to your body, touch to the ground, and say with me, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Rashtra Devo Bhava. Simhasana and Hasyasana also we will do. Those who can sit in Vajrasana, sit in Vajrasana. Bring the tongue completely outside and roar like lion lioness 3 times. Shwas out. Massage your throat, take the liquid which has come inside, सब रोगों की दवा हंसना सीखो मेरे भाई. Laughter is all the medicine. Laugh loudly with both hands up. Your complete body should laugh. One more time. With full joy and happiness. Acupressure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, if you want to purify your body, Kapalbhati is doing purification. But if you want complete body to be washed, so you can, by listening spiritual vachan, spiritual thoughts, your mind becomes purified. Okay? तन की शुद्धि स्नान से, मन की शुद्धि अच्छे विचारों से, good thoughts. और धन की शुद्धि, if you want to purify your wealth, you have to donate it to some good purpose. You can donate for our yoga mission also, our Patanjali mission also, and those who have more money, at least 1% to 10% of your income, you should donate for good noble work, social service, those who are doing internationally or whole of India, wherever you like, you should donate 1% to 10% of your income. And if you want to take life membership of Patanjali Yoga Pit, 1 lakh rupees is the life membership, in which in Haridwar you will get a discount on the treatment, 30% discount on the treatment. Means within 5 years, this all 1 lakh rupees will come back to you only. Swamiji doesn't want your money, but Swamiji's mission is so good that we should participate in that. So when you put the money or the donation, you automatically get the punya out of it. Please stand in your place for some standing exercise. That is the last part, and then we will do samapan. Let it again up. Where is our sister? You go on the. Steps are very necessary. First one is this one. This one is the main use like this one. Good. And one more is there. This one. These 2 steps you should do every day, even if you don't do it completely. Good. Now she is taking one from the ground. So rotate yourself and do Purushasana with your left leg. Rotate left side, very good. Everybody, left leg, left leg, everybody. Purushasana. On the banks of Godavari, we are sending a big message all over Rajamandrinagar, all over Andhra Pradesh, that we are ready for 21st June International Yoga Day. We are clearing up. Other leg now. With the right leg. Again, one more. भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। योगा जयंती, योगा जयंती, योगा जयंती। So 16th of June, we all over Rajahmundry, 10 kilometers bike rally will be there. Those who know how to drive, please join the mission. Or we will awaken every person of Rajahmundry should know about yoga, should do yoga. Complete our Rajahmundry should be healthy and wealthy also. So those who want to purchase, do connect.